Hi and welcome to this tutorial to help you get the best out of Cetopo when working with Sketchup. If you've used Cetopo before or watched any of our Getting Started videos, then you'll be familiar with projects and selecting an area, so we'll start here. Once you've selected an area, you can click on this cog next to the Sketchup template under CAD. This brings us to the template configuration dialog, where we can have a look at some of the configuration options available to you, which are specific to the Sketchup templates. For example, in the Terrain tab, you can choose whether you want a continuous terrain mesh or a more simplified stepped contour model. It can also be a good idea to change the colors of the building models before downloading. Here you can select the colors you want. If you want your model to also include 2D information, be sure to turn drawings on. Once you're happy with how the template is configured, you can go ahead and click Download. The file will download as a .skp file, so there's no need to do any more to it. Now we're in SketchUp. You can simply select the file you have just downloaded and open it. All of the elements that make up a Cetopo model are individually editable. For example, you can select a building model like so and edit it freely. Of course, you can also move and delete elements. The same goes for applying materials to models. You just need to select the group, click Edit Group, and then paint on the desired materials. In Cetopo models, trees are brought in as components. To the bottom left of your model, you'll see 3 to 6 tree models floating. In order to replace all of the default trees, all you have to do is edit each of these components, replacing the default tree with the tree asset you want to use. For this example, we will use Enscape trees. To replace the tree, click Edit Component, and then open up the model you want to use for the tree. Place it directly on top of the default tree, then resize it so that it is the same height as the default tree. Then move the new tree so that the trunks are in the same place and delete the original tree. Repeat this for all 6 of the components, and you'll see that all of the trees in the model have been replaced with your chosen tree assets. Now that this is done, we can have a look at how the model looks in real-time rendering software, like Enscape. You can see here that the model performs well in Enscape and is easy to maneuver due to the optimized model and small file size. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. Thanks for watching.